Hack, and in this video we will be doing 2 million from HackTheBox. It is an easy retired box, so yeah, it should be fun. Also, like, this box is based on the old HackTheBox team, so I'm pretty sure like you're gonna enjoy this one because some of you all might not know, but earlier like HackTheBox had a feature which required you to have a invitation code, so it was kind of like a cool site which was only accessible with an invitation code. So this all kind of brings the old memory back, so yeah, it should be fun. So but before that, I ran my nmap scan. As you can see, sudo nmap -sc stands for default script, then a version scan, full port, and min rate 10,000. So basically it will send 10,000 packets per second, I guess, and it's not recommended because it can cause some serious damage to a network. And we have the IP address, and -OE basically stands for output all formats, so it will give me the output of my nmap in 3 different formats. Now let's take a look at our nmap results. So we see a standard 22, which is SSH, and port 80, which is an HTTP server, and we have 2 million.htb. So what we need to do is, let me just clear up my screen. Now sudo nano hc host, and over here like you need to give your IP and 2 million dot hack the box in this file. Now if you go back to your browser and if you take a look, you will see like there is commercial labs, hall of fame, and login, right? For login we don't have any credentials, right? And the other feature which works is the one join hack the box, and again we don't have any um invitation code. So like in the old days, we gonna hack our way in. So if we click on view page source over here, and if we scroll down, we can see the whole JavaScript code, how like it's working, the invitation thing, right? And if we click on this, so but this is basically obfuscated JavaScript code, so we need to de-obfuscate it. I'm pretty sure like I'm saying this thing wrong, but so we need to we need to take a look at a website called JS Nice, right? So it will basically de-obfuscate, or it will just beautify the code, because right now it's kinda in a messed up format and we can't really read it. Let's see. Maybe JavaScript the okay, shit. Okay, now we need to just beautify our code. So let me remove this thing and replace with my own code, and here. Okay, so again this is in a really strange format. Let's see if I can find anything else. Wait, let's see. JS Nice. Okay, we have online beautifier. Let's try this one. Beautify the code. Okay, so we see there's an API invite verify, and we see a function called make invite, which takes post request, and this is the whole endpoint API v1 how to generate. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will just copy this thing, right? And I will go back to the command line, and I can do something like this: curl x for a post request, and I can give the URL, so http 2 million dot hack the box, right? And I can give the whole URL right over here, and we see something interesting and kind of strange at the same time, right? So we see 200 success data, and this is kind of like in a gibberish format right now, which doesn't really make any sense. But over here, I mean, if you play CTFs, there's a pretty good chance you will be able to tell what kind of a stuff it is, like in a glimpse. But it Hack the Box was really nice at providing a hint. So if you see, like, there's an encryption type, ENC type, ROT 13. So we can basically copy this thing, right? And we can go back to our good old friend CyberChef. So CyberChef is a really cool website if you play CTFs and if you come across encoding, decoding kind of stuff. So it will like be really helpful. So just paste the thing which we copied, and we can search for ROT 13, right? And we got it. So in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API v1 invite generate. Okay, so we can just uh like this, we can remove this thing, generate, I guess. Okay, so we got something. Again, it's encrypted, so if you play CTFs you can see it's base 64. But if you don't know what it is, so just go back to CyberChef, right? uh then remove this thing and click on bake, or it should give a magic icon. So it will, like, from base 64 it will decode it, and we have the invitation code. So let's go and give a try. Sign up. Okay, that's really cool. So now we can pick up a username. So I will go with my one, hack, right? Hacky @hack.com, and I can give a super secure password of 123456. It's a very secure password, guys. 123456, and I will hit enter. Now hacky@hack.com for me, and my super secure password, which is 123456, and I will hit enter. Okay, so we can see the good old Hack the Box theme over here. Let's see if we can find anything to hack it. And this is kind of cool that like everything is functional, almost functional. Okay, can we see something interesting, huh? Feedback, home, view my profile. Can I view my profile now? No. What is VIP? I can't really see anything interesting right now. Hmm. So important, we are currently performing database migration. For this reason, some of the website feature might be unavailable. We apologize for this thing. Okay. Can we see anything interesting? Nah. Anything? Okay, let's see. There's an access page. Okay. Server. Okay. Looks like we can change something or what. And it gives a VPN. That's not bad. Not bad. Right? Okay. So I can get a VPN, but what else I can do with this? What else I can do, huh? Each time you switch VPN, you get freshly download connection is required. Okay. Can we see? Can I see anything? We have our boss suite ready. So what I'm gonna do is I will try to take a look at the request for the existing, which kind of gives us our VPN. So let me just check that part real quick. And where is access? Okay, here it is. So I will just make sure my proxy intercept is on, and I will try to intercept this thing. Regenerate. I will send it to repeater, forward, and we see nothing. Okay. Can we can we like, what will happen if we remove this thing? And yeah, like we see something useful. We can see the different endpoints you can see. So here it is, like API v1 route list instructions on blah blah blah. Okay, so we see some good stuff. So check if user is admin. So we need to get admin, I guess, here. Then admin VPN generate VPN for specific user, and update your user settings. So I'm kind of interested in this particular part because we can probably update some settings, but if you go and take a look on the actual web page, you will see nothing. So looks interesting. So let me just see one more time. Admin settings update. Okay, and it's a put request. API admin settings update, right? And it's a put request. Let's see. uh Invalid content type. Okay, content type. Maybe we need JSON. So application JSON, application, I guess it's like this, JSON. uh let's see. And it's taking a time, man. I mean, it should work, right? Or is it like something I did some mistake with? Okay, I think I did some mistake, I don't know. Is it like this? Or wait, yeah, I think I did a mistake. uh yeah, let me just copy this whole thing. Content type. Oh, let me just search real quick. um Content type application JSON. Let's see. uh Content type. Let me just copy this name. Application JSON. Is it like this, or is it like someone reset the box? I don't really see any resets over here, so it should work. Let me see. Let's see. This one is working, but why this thing is not? But wait, let's see. Change request. Can I do like this? But okay, so I genuinely don't know why it's not loading right now. Or did I like give a wrong endpoint? What? Admin settings update, and I have admin settings update, so it should have worked, right? But it's not giving any response right now, which is weird. Oh yeah, it is weird. Can I send this? Nah, doesn't respond. Will this work? No, it does. Will not. Will this work? No. This is very surprising in my opinion. It's not working, whereas this part is working. Huh. API v1 admin. Let's see. API admin v1 settings 10. update. Let's see. Okay, so now we can change the request method to post. Post, I guess. Put. I should put. Wait a minute. Okay, so this thing worked, I guess. We just need a proper content type. Wait. Okay, so this one didn't have any content type. Okay, so let me just change it to JSON real quick. JSON. It should be JSON, not JSON. Then missing parameter email. Okay, I guess we need a email for our own thing. So email, right? And it should be something like this. It was yt@yt.com. So this was the email which I used to create a user account on this box. Let's see. Missing parameter is admin. Okay, so we need one more parameter is admin, and we probably need quotes over here. True. Will this work? Okay, so variable is admin needs to be either 0 or 1. Okay, 1. Let's see. Okay, so looks like we are user, so we are admin now. So now what else I'm gonna do is I will just take a look. We can generate a VPN with a specific user. So let's see, admin. Okay, so let me just send it to repeater and admin. Can I do something like is it like generate a VPN? I guess VPN. Then generate. Generate. Let's see. Is it like post request? Yeah, it is. Invalid content type. Okay, we can change it to JSON. And we'll send it, and it says missing parameter username. So can I do something like this? Yeah, I can. Now I need username. So user name a, and it does generate a VPN. Can we do some sort of an injection attack? Let's see. ID, it work? We see nothing. Okay, that's not bad. Can I do sleep 10? Sleep 10 will what? So basically sleep 10 will say that reply to this thing after 10 seconds, something like that, or wait for 10 seconds and then reply. And if we see, like, it took 10,362 milliseconds, which is basically 10 seconds, I guess. So yeah, I think there is a blind command injection. So what I'm gonna do is I will go to refshells.com to get a to get a payload for a reverse shell. Before that, I need to give my IP 10.4 dot it's 10.14.50, and just copy this thing. And I'm gonna, at the place of sleep, what I will do is I will do bash -c, and I just need to start my own netcat listener np 9001. Let's see, and we have a shell. This is very cool. Okay, so we have shell. We can see database.php. So before that, I need to do it. So we have the user shell of data. Okay, that's not bad. So let's see database.php, because this thing kind of looks very interesting because of its name, database.php. Let's see. And Okay, so we can see it uses some sort of an environment variable to take these inputs like user, there's a host and db name and password. Okay, this is not bad. Can I do something like lsla, and we do see an environment variable env file, and we can see the password and db password. So maybe we can log in into mysql and we can get out the password of the host machine from that. I don't know, but before that, what I'm gonna do is I will just check the home directory. Okay, so we do see a user called admin, which is kinda cool in my opinion, which will make our job a lot easier now. So ssh, then admin, right? And we can give the 2 million dot htb hack the box, and we can give the password, and hopefully it should work, and it did work. So now I will do something like this user.txt, and we can do read the file. Now we need to escalate our privileges to root user. So before doing that, I will do some basic stuff like sudo -l, and we don't see anything interesting. Then I'm gonna check for lsla anything over here. I don't really see anything interesting, so I'm gonna check for then cd www, right? Then html. We see database.php, we did see that. We see router.php, that's not really interesting, I guess. So let's see vpn directory, cat gen.sh, let's see. Huh, okay. Can I see any cron jobs? So it's see cron tab, nothing. cd. Now what else I'm gonna do is uname -a, right? So we can do a quick google search for this particular linux kernel to look for any kernel related exploit, but generally like you will not see like any exploit on most of the boxes. It's like a lot tricky, but let's just give a try, exploit, and we do see something. Okay, so we see okay, so we got a write up. Okay, we will ignore it. For dirty pipe, okay. Anything else? Generic, let's see. 5.7, anything interesting? Okay, we see write an article. So the overlay fs vulnerability cve 2023-086. Okay, not bad. So let's look for exploit for this one, because this one kind of looks fairly new. So cve exploit github, like this, and let's see. It's in Chinese or Japanese, I don't know. So I will look for a different one. Okay, so I'm gonna git clone it, or at the place of git cloning you can just download it as zip, right? And what else I'm gonna do is I will open up one more terminal, cd temp. So I have like already like downloaded this zip file for this particular exploit, so download it as zip. Now what else I'm gonna do is I will copy the file, so it's in my downloads directory right now. So downloads cve over here, and I will start my python server, python 3 minus m http dot server, and I will just copy the name because I don't remember the whole thing. So now I will go to temp directory, temp, right? And okay, so we do see some hints. Just forget about it. wget, I need to give the url, http, my IP address, which is 10.10.14.50, right? and it's my Python server is running on port 8000. And let's just save it as o um r.zip because I see a file. So unzip r.zip. Huh? Okay, this is weird. That is weird. Maybe just download this file. Can I unzip this? Unzip a. Let's just say a cd cve 2023 master. Now let's just take a look at the instructions. So it says make all, so I'm gonna make it, and we need two terminals, so we need one more SSH login. Okay, make all, and then I'm gonna just copy the password one more time, and I will log in once again. SSH admin @ 2 million dot htb, and I will give the password. Then I will cd into temp directory, then cve, then master, and I will just run the command. So in this terminal I will run this one, and in this one I will run exp. Let's see, and boom, we are root now. So let's see the root directory, cd root, and we see thank you.json. Let's see. Okay, so this is whole new encoding. Maybe we can take a look in the next video, but right now just check the root.txt, and we can read the root.txt file. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, right? And I hope like you learned something new from this one. And if you have like any feedback, feel free to comment down, right? And I would like highly appreciate if you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you later.